The seventh term of an arithmetic sequence A is 11. The sum of the first 12 terms is 114. Find the 12th term of A. So we got that U7 is equal to 11. The sum of the first 12 terms is 114. And U12 we don't know. Also we don't know the first term or D. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the information in the question to find A and D, and then use that to find the 12th term of A. So we know that UN is equal to the first term plus the term number minus 1 times the common difference. This formula is not given at IGCSE, it needs to be learnt. So putting in the relevant information, we know that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the term number. So 11, i.e. the seventh term is 11, is equal to the first term that we don't know, but N will be equal to 7 minus 1 times the common difference that we don't know. So we can use this maybe to make one equation to help us find A and D. Simplifying it, we're going to get 11 is equal to A plus 6D. The only other piece of information we know is that the sum of the first 12 terms is 114. So Sn is equal to n over 2a plus n minus 1 times d. This formula is given at IGCSE. So we're going to put 114 is equal to the n, which is going to be 12 in this case, divided by 2 times a, in brackets n minus 1, so it's 12 minus 1 times d. We're going to simplify this a little bit. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and then 12 minus 1 is 11, so we're going to get 2a plus 11d. And then if we divide both sides by 6, 114 divided by 6 gives me 19. We get 2a plus 11d. And then what we're going to do, because we've got two unknowns but two equations, we're going to form simultaneous equations. This is what you do when you don't know both a and d. So you're going to write down that 2a plus 11d is equal to 19, which is that one. And then I'm going to also write this one down here. Got a plus 6d is equal to 11, and then I'm going to use simultaneous equations to find a and d. So just writing that down again. I'm going to label the first one here number 1 and the second one number 2. Doesn't matter which way round you write these. The problem is that I don't have anything the same. I've got 2a and 1a here. I've got 11d and 6d here. So I'm going to take the bottom one and multiply it through by 2. So that's going to give me 2a plus 12d. And don't forget to do 2 times 11, which is 22. This one I'm going to keep the same. Got 2a plus 11d is equal to 19. Right, if I do a subtraction, I will eliminate a, because 2a minus 2a gives me nothing. 11d minus 12d gives me minus d, and then 19 minus 22 gives me minus 3. And then we can see from that that d is equal to 3. Then I'm going to substitute back into either 2 or 1. This time I'm going to use 2 because it looks a bit easier. I'm going to say that a plus 6 times my 3d is equal to 11. A plus 18 is equal to 11, and therefore a is going to be equal to minus 7. So I've got a first term of minus 7 and a common difference of 3. I can now use that to find U12. The 12th term you get by using UN is a plus n minus 1 times d. You have to learn this formula, and therefore U12 will be minus 7 plus 12, because n is 12, minus 1 times my value of d, which is 3. So that's going to give me minus 7 plus 11 times 3, minus 7 plus 33, which is going to give me that the 12th term is 26. So this has been a video to show you how to find a term in an arithmetic sequence when you know a particular term number and a sum, and using simultaneous equations to find a and d. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.